Here's pre-calc. The problem is 7-15. When Gretchen was born, her grandmother purchased a stock in her name. The value of the stock was $1,200. On her 18th birthday, Gretchen finds out about the stock and realizes it is worth $5,000. What was the average annual rate of return for the stock? So I tried to do it the most simple way I could. They didn't say if it was like compound interest or anything like that, and they just want the average rate of return. So I just wanted to model it with the exponential y equals a times b to the x. And since they started with $1,200, I just used that for a. So I just plugged in $1,200 for a. And then I wanted a y and an x, and since it was her 18th birthday, I put 18 for the time, because that's how many years. And I put the 5,000 for y, because y is the amount of money you'll have. And then I divided both sides by 1,200, and then I 18th rooted both sides, because I had this, and you could also raise both sides to the 1/18th power if that's easier on your calculator. And I found that b was about 1.0825, this long number. And then I thought that was the answer, and I looked in the answer key and it was wrong. And that's because they wanted the rate. But you know how we always, if something is increasing, it's earning interest or something, you know how we always have to add 1 to it? So this is like, really we're taking the money and multiplying it. We have to add the 1 to it so it keeps accumulating. So this is really 108% or 108.25%. So the rate was just the 8.25%. Plus the 100% is what helps us know the accumulated value. Otherwise, when we use the formula, we would just get the little bit of interest. But we want to know how much the whole thing is. So that's why the rate was just at the 8.25%.